For the dough, mix butter, egg, sugar, vegetable oil, vinegar, yogurt, and vanilla extract in a bowl. Gradually add baking powder and flour, and knead until the dough is soft and not sticky. Take a small ball of dough and place it in the freezer. Let the rest of the dough rest in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the apple filling. Peel and grate the apples, then cook them with sugar in a pan over low heat until the sugar melts and the liquid evaporates. Add cinnamon powder and mix well. The filling should not be watery. Take the dough out of the refrigerator and roll it out on an oiled parchment paper. Transfer it to a greased mold and shape it properly, removing any excess dough. Poke holes in the bottom of the dough with a fork. Now, pour the cooled apple filling over the dough and spread it evenly. Finally, grate the dough that was placed in the freezer over the apple filling and cover it completely. Place the mold in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Once baked and cooled, remove from the mold, sprinkle powdered sugar on top, and slice. Enjoy your delicious apple tart cake.